Hey, how are you doing? Лови 3 классные английские фразы из финальной серии Miss Marvel. Поехали!
It's okay. Wasn't easy when Kamala first got her powers either.
What would she do?
Well, she's Kamala, so she stress ate a euro.
Stress eat hero. Заедать стресс чем-то. Для Камалы, героини пакистанского происхождения, это, конечно, гирос. Гиро или чайро.
She thinks I'm some kind of weirdo.
This is so cool. I have been dying to ask you, are your powers limitless, or do you have to recharge?
I've been dying to ask you. Дословно умирать или до смерти хотеть чего-либо. I don't know about you guys, but I'm dying for a swim right now.
In your little fantasy land.
Sure, this is a mosque in America. Damage control, GCPD, hell, the Department of Sanitation probably has us under surveillance. When the coast is clear, you guys head to the high school and I'll call you.
The coast is clear. Говорим, когда опасность миновала. Дословно, берег чистый.
Hey buddy, the coast is clear. You can come out.